when my clients, potential clients come and they say the concern about confidentiality, what they're saying is, I don't want everyone, their mother and their dog, to know that my company is on the market. I want only people to know that are truly qualified buyers. And our process provides for that. When we do our pitch books or offering memorandums, a lot of people call them SIMs, confidential information, blah, 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 whatever they're calling it, doesn't matter. Those books done by others will fully disclose who and where the client is and everything about them. We don't. We design our book to answer almost every logical question that a good quality buyer is going to have, but we don't tell who or where the client is. So a little extra layer of protection there. If they come back after reading the book, and oh, by the way, they don't get the book unless they've executed an NDA and we've verified who they are. But if they come back after reading the book and they want more information, they want the data room open to them, they want access to the tax returns and the financials. Basically, okay, Cupcake, show us, provide us with evidence that you have the ability to close this transaction. If you can't or you won't, you never get to go to the next level. So basically, there are two major issues that manufacturers need to be concerned about when considering confidentiality. The first is the broker verifying the information on an NDA before they're releasing the pitch book? Many don't. They're just overly excited that they have interest, and they're operating in their own best interest, not in the client's best interest. The second issue, if the information on the NDA is verified, the next issue they need to worry about is there too much information in the pitch book too early? Any manufacturer that is vetting an investment banker or a broker, somebody that's going to represent you in the sale of your company, find out how they deal with these issues in advance. And for a manufacturer, that's very easy to do. Just inquire about one of their listings. Find out, look at the NDA. Is it sufficient? The NDA that they make you sign to get their pitch book on their client. And then when you get the pitch book, what do you think of it? How much effort went into it? My firm puts so much emphasis on confidentiality because in 99% of the cases, my client would be harmed if their employees, their customers, their competitors, their raw material suppliers knew that they were on the market. It just wouldn't play well for them. So we take it very seriously because we understand why they're concerned. And we take measures to deal with that and really try to mitigate the possibility of harm to them.